Is your 2016-2022 Toyota Prius key fob not working reliably? The most common cause is a dead CR2032 battery. Replacing it is a quick and easy DIY task. This video will guide you through the process step by step, saving you time and money compared to a dealership visit. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a key fob opening tool and a new CR2032 battery. Let's get started. First, locate the physical key slot on your key fob. Insert the key and twist gently to separate the two halves of the fob. If there's no key slot, carefully pry open the case with a small flathead screwdriver or key fob opening tool. Next, remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the orientation. The positive plus side usually faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation. Finally, reassemble the fob, ensuring it clicks securely back together. Test the buttons to confirm it's working from a distance of 10 to 30 feet. If it doesn't work, you may need to reprogram it by inserting the key into the ignition, turning it to the on position without starting the car, and pressing the lock button on the fob for 1 second. Replace the battery every 1 to 2 years, and consider using OEM batteries to avoid signal interference. Remember to recycle the old battery properly.